the shoes from this Easy Go TXT cart. So once you get the drum off with this bolt right here is a 15/16 or a 24 millimeter. Now there's a tool for this, but I'm going to do it this way, where I'm going to grapple on it like that, just like that, and I'm going to push in. And when I push in, that little pin right here is supposed to like move to a certain, so push in and it's supposed to move. So let me see. And that's the pin I'm talking about. I just wanted to show you guys that first. But other than that, I'm going to come off with this spring over here. Just grab it like this. Oh, I already took the other side off, so it makes it easier. They usually come off really easy. So you just unhook it. There we go. The brake shoe hardware comes with new ones. And I always like to say take a picture of this so you remember how this goes. This is where you adjust at right here. So you adjust. This is when you want to adjust it. You take a flathead and you turn it, and this expands the shoes outwards. So this is like a little adjusting mechanism, so you want to remember how that goes. You have 3 springs. And like I said, I'm going to try and take this one out, and I'm going to show you how it goes. Alright, so I got the other spring thing off, and now over here we're gonna take off the spring over here. Oh, not my phone out. Alright, there we go. That's how you take them off. I'm gonna leave this one on right now for now. Clean it off. These are these pins right here. You wanna make sure you keep those, because that's how this sits in here in the middle, and then you would turn that so you can see like the little groove here and how it looks. So twist it, it'll sit like that, and then you twist it and it'll come out. So yeah. Alright, so I like to use some emery cloth, little dragonflies, and I had to clean up in there, which I already did. So I'm gonna wipe it down. I sprayed it down with some brake clean and like that. So good. Clean that up. And then I spray brake clean here and clean it up and get ready for the new parts. New shoes. So the new shoes go on like that, and this is what I meant by twisting it like that, so it doesn't go right there. Now we're releasing it, going vertical, just keeping it on. We can get our springs. On. So I just used needle nose pliers. I grabbed this, and then for the bigger spring, which is a little harder, I used the vice grips, grabbed right here, and pushed it forward. Now we have it like this, and we're gonna need to adjust the brakes. So when we put the drums back on, which you wanna make sure when you put the drum back on, I know this piece slid like right here, and then we're gonna grease these splines, put some white lithium grease on there, and then that'll be, put the drum on and we'll adjust the brakes. Alright, so this is where we adjust the brakes at. And I'm gonna put the drum brake on. I got my lithium grease on. Go ahead and, oh yeah, that's right. We gotta adjust it first down so it can go on. So just like how I'm doing it, bringing it down, retracting it in, because the old shoes were so worn, it was retracted all the way out. So this is basically too how you do it if you weren't changing your brakes, but you don't have to take this off. You can still do it through the hole. But I can't put the drum on until this is properly extended in. So it is on. This is the hole I'm talking about. You can adjust it. There's that same star we saw in there. I'm gonna adjust it now to where it is going to go down a little bit, because the brakes, the shoes are on there and the drum is on there. That's too much spree play. I want it to be a little bit of drag, just a little bit of drag. So, all right, last step, don't forget, put your cotter pin in, get that going. Get that wrapped around. But you can see, I got the tire on, but it's pretty good resistance there. And go ahead and put the tire back on, and that's it. Any questions, let me know. And yeah, like and subscribe. You guys know what to do.